is for eel, slithering so fast, wiggling through the water, making a splash. With a long, smooth body, they glide with grace. Eels zoom through the ocean's embrace. Let's write the letter E, join the fun. Let's learn the alphabet with everyone. Capital E for lines long and tall. Lowercase e with the loop that's small. E is for eel, swim, swim, swim. Learning letters on a whim. The eel swam through the coral so bright, hiding in crevices out of sight. With a flick of their tail, they dart so quick. Eels teach us to be quick, quick, quick. The letter E is in your ABCs. Let's sing it together. 1, 2, 3. Capital E for lines long and tall. Lowercase e with the loop that's small. E is for eel, swim, swim, swim. Learning letters on a whim. Eels glide through waters that are deep and wide. Let's write the letter E and take the ride. Write it down, it's easy to see. The letter E is next in our ABCs. Capital E for lines long and tall. Lowercase e with the loop that's small. E is for eel, swim, swim, swim. Learning letters on a whim.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye.